เลยอยากจะพาใครอีเล่นนะเลิศ English มากอยากจะพา Ling and Ting not actually the same เวลามีadicto da meta adicto da cultura adicto da aguato adicto มากกับพานี่นะLing and Ting. Story 1.
The one.
Ling and Ting are twins. They have the same brown eyes.
Oh, shit.
They have the same cheeks. They have the same happy smiles. People see them and they say, "You two are excellently the same." We are not actually the same. Ling said. Ting loves because she is thinking excellently the same thing. Ling and also have the same black hair and it grows long at the same time too. They are going to the barber for a haircut. You two are actually the same, the barber says. We are not actually the same, Ting said. Ling sits in the chair. She does not move. Ling can always sit still. Snip, clip. The barber cuts Ling hair in a smooth line. Now it is Ting's turn to move her legs and her fingers to Ting can never sit still. Snip, clip. The barber cuts Ting's hair. It falls on her nose. Oh no! Oops. Ling and Ting were twins. They are not actually the same. Now when people see them, they know it too. Story 2. The magic trick. Ling is wearing a big black hat. It is a very big hat. It is too big for Ling. Why are you wearing that? Ting asked. It is a magic hat, Ling said. I am wearing it because I can do magic. You can? Ting says. Can you use your magic to get a smaller hat? No, Ling says, but I can do a magic trick. I can do a magic card trick. Ling makes a pile of cards. Pick a card and pick a card. Any card. Link says. Ting picks a card. Now Link says, put it back and mix the cards. Ting puts the cards back and mixes the cards up. Zuzanna, Link says, and she waves her wand. Aga, her carrot patches. Is this your card? Link asks. No, Link says. Is this your card? Link asks. No, Link thinks. This one? Asks Link. This one? No, says Ting. No, I give up. Link says, what is your card? Ting turns pink. I don't know, she said. I forgot. Story 3. Making dumplings. Link and Ting are going to make dumplings. People say dumplings look like old Ting's money. They say we would make a lot of dumplings. Ting says then we will have a lot of money. So Link grows and Ting's mix. I will close my dumplings tight, Link says. Then our money will not get away. I will put a lot of meat in my dumplings, Ting says. So we will be very rich.